Yeah. And guys, the next is Japanese expression for travel. I've heard that Japanese Korean can go to Japanese for travel without visa these days. So I prepared this for you guys. And let's get started. The first one is hi. How can I say hi in Japanese?
Hi is konnichiwa.
Oh,
Yeah.
It's different with good afternoon. Yeah.
We can use every time, like in the morning, in the afternoon, or at night.
Oh.
Yeah.
Then Ohio or
Ohio
konbanwa is
is
good morning.
good morning, and konbanwa is good night. Good night.
Good
Yeah,
night.
good evening.
Good evening. Then the second one is bye.
Bye.
Like when I finish the meal and go out from the restaurant. Bye or see you or
We say sayonara.
sayonara.
We don't say to like friends. Mostly use bye-bye. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Maybe it's same in Korea because we say bye. Bye. Yeah. And bye or sayonara.
Sayonara. Yeah.
Okay. Then the third one is thank you.
Thank you. That's important.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you is arigato.
Arigato.
Yeah.
The people who don't know each other, then we say
arigato gozaimasu. Yeah.
Just friends is arigato.
Yeah.
Okay. And the next one is you're welcome.
You're welcome. It's do itashimashite.
Do itashimashite.
Do itashimashite. Yeah.
Oh, no, I never heard of that before. Do itashimashite.
Do itashimashite.
Then arigatou gozaimasu. Do itashimashite.
Yeah, like that.
Okay. The next one is please.
In the polite way, we say onegai shimasu.
Yeah. After the sentence.
Yeah.
Oh. Like mizu
Omizu. Yeah.
Omizu
is water. Water, please. It's like omizu. Onegai shimasu.
Onegai shimasu. Okay. Next one is the number from 1 to 5.
1 is ichi.
Ichi.
And 2 is ni. 3 is san. 4 is yon. 5 is go.
It's different with she.
We can also say she for 4.
Then everywhere we can use both things.
Yeah.
Okay. And ichi, ni, san, yon, go.
Yeah.
I know the number. The next one is this. Like in the menu,
this is kore.
Kore?
Kore.
Kore.
Yeah.
Kore wa.
Yeah. So
Kore.
we can say like this one, please. It's like kore kudasai.
No onegaishimasu.
No onegaishimasu. We don't have to say yeah. Kore kudasai.
Kudasai. The next one is how much is it?
In polite way?
Yeah.
Okay. Ikura desu ka?
Ikura desu ka?
Yeah.
Ikura?
Ikura.
Then the next one is, what is it in English? In Spanish, bolsa.
Bolsa.
Yeah.
Like a plastic one?
Yeah, plastic bag. When we go to market, do you need plastic bag? Yeah.
Fukuro.
Yeah.
So if you need plastic bag, you can say fukuro kudasai.
Fukuro kudasai. Convenience store or market.
Yeah.
And the next one is, I don't speak Japanese. It's so important.
Yeah, I know. 私は日本語が話せません。話せません。
話せません。
Yeah.
私は日本語が話しません。
話せません。
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 Okay, then The next one is excuse me.
We Japanese people use it a lot.
Oh,
Yeah.
really? Okay.
すみません.
So it's not I'm sorry.
It's also the meaning of no. すみません. No. I'm confusing.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, but excuse me is also すみません. The both meaning.
Then, what is the meaning of 失礼します?
失礼します. At the company, if you go back home earlier than other people, you say 失礼します.
Really?
Yeah.
It's only for that situation.
We don't usually use 失礼します in the daily lives, I think.
Really? Okay. Interesting. Yeah. And the next one is I'd like to go there. Like in taxi,
So,
airport, like.
you can say, if you wanna go to Shibuya, you can say 渋谷に行きたいです.
行きたいです. 行き is go?
Yeah.
渋谷に行きたいです. Okay. Then airport is
空港.
空港に行きたいです. Okay. It's easy. Okay. And the last one is how can I get like excuse me, how can I get to the restaurant or
you can say how can I go there?
Yeah.
どうやってここに行けますか?
行けますか?
行けますか?
行けますか? どうやってここに行けますか?
行けますか? Yeah.
Oh, it's hard. Yeah, today I talked with my Japanese friend. So, thank you for watching and see you on next video. Thank you.
Thank you. 안녕.